So we are looking at how we compare non-finance to finance metrics using percentages. So here I have sales and sales forecast accuracy and their results brought to a percentage. So to visualize this, I'm going to use conditional formatting and data bars. So that's the basics. But you can see the bar automatically goes to the 110% and we want to put in some wiggle room. So we're going to edit this and we're going to say the highest part is actually at 200%. So instead of it being automatic, I'm going to put in a number. And for 200%, I just put in 2. And we're going to apply that, and that's going to change. So now if we widen out the actual column, now we get the bar and the percentage quite clearly. So now we need to draw the line to show the 100%. So change the actual results to 100, and then we're just going to insert a line. So it's not rocket science. We changed them to 100 so we can get this line right. Now we're going to zoom in to get this correct. And it's as simple as that. So just change these back to the 110 and 85. And you can see that's how we compare non-finance to finance metrics using percentage and conditional formatting.